I need you to pay attention because what I'm about to share with you guys now could be the difference between your YouTube channel dying a slow death or being revived back. So I discovered one single setting hidden deep inside my YouTube studio, and a setting that I never touched, never asked for, and never even heard YouTube talk about. And this hidden setting is killing my channel from inside, and I never know. I never pay attention to it. Now, if you're like me, you've been probably experienced this before. One day or some days, your videos are doing really well, hitting 20,000, 100,000, 1 million, and maybe billions. And then out of nowhere, they start flipping out, they start flopping out. Guys, I'm talking barely 1,000 views, yes. You understand? And the most important painful part is you don't even know why these things are happening to your channel. You don't even know why your videos are flopping out. You understand? And sometimes you start doubting yourself, doubting your content, doubting whether your audience even care about you or what you're posting anymore. You will think you're not doing right. You think your videos are not interesting to your audience. I was ready at a point in my life to give up on my channel, and I thought maybe YouTube wasn't for me anymore. Maybe there are some people that this YouTube app of a thing favors more. You understand? I thought maybe my time has passed. I didn't start on time. You understand? At a point, I was saying that YouTube is even saturated. The niche I'm into is saturated. I'm behind. But then, something told me not to give up. Something told me not to quit yet. I should look deeper. I should search deeper. I should inquire, make inquiries more. So I went inside my analytics one certain day and I was digging around, searching. And guys, I researched across Reddit thread. That is YouTube comment section of a popular content creator, and the creator forum also. And finally, someone was talking about a particular setting and how it helped him or her. So I went in and checked mine and I found it. The problem wasn't me. The problem wasn't my content. And the problem wasn't even about my audience. The problem was, or it lies on this hidden setting. Now, let me take you guys back. For over, I think by November, I'll be 1 year on this app. So for the past 8 to 9 months, my channel was, sometimes growing, sometimes it's not growing. I wasn't even blowing up like Mr. Biggs. But then I had found my lane. And most of my traffic came from browse features. Yes, most people browse my channel a lot. So if you don't know what that means, browse traffic is when YouTube pushes your content onto the homepage of viewers or the up next sidebar. You understand? And this is the golden traffic. Yes. This is how you know you are in the algorithm's favor. So these are the things I noticed in my own. And then all of a sudden, it started disappearing. In fact, at a point, it disappeared. My videos weren't even pushed on homepages anymore. Instead, all my traffic was being pushed from suggested videos. But here is the catch, guys. YouTube wasn't suggesting my videos next to content that made sense. My videos were being suggested next to random videos in random niches, even in languages I don't even speak, I don't even understand it. So imagine you are a fitness coach or creator and your video suddenly gets suggested next to a cooking video in Spanish or a K-pop music video in Korean. Oh God. The audience, this audience are not yours. Yes. And the people watching those videos aren't looking for your type of content. And these are the things I started noticing. Imagine I'm into YouTube growth. And one time like that, I saw my content in storytelling. Guys, I was like, what's going on? Like, my videos are being suggested in such places. So what really happened? So they see that your thumbnail, they see your thumbnail, they see your titles, all these people, they don't even click it. your click-through rate will automatically start dropping. And when your CTR drops, YouTube thinks, oh, this video isn't interesting. Let's push it less, or let's not even push it at all. And that is the death spiral. So for weeks, I thought it was me. I thought my titles weren't strong enough. I thought my thumbnails had gotten lazy. And I thought my niche was dead. I even thought maybe my audience just didn't care anymore. But the truth was, my content wasn't being shown to the right people anymore. They weren't shown to my loyal subscribers. They weren't shown to people that are interested in what I am doing. Now, let's talk about what I actually found. Now, in my analysis, I found this particular setting called auto-doubling. Now, let me explain what this auto-doubling is on YouTube. Now, auto-doubling is a feature that YouTube introduced around last year, 2024. And basically, this auto-doubling takes your video and it automatically translates your voice into another language using AI and dubs it over your content. So imagine me speaking English or speaking Spanish, Mandarin, or French, even though I only speak English sometimes, yes. Now, on papers, this sounds amazing, right? It makes your contents accessible to the whole world. It means someone in Brazil or China or France could watch your videos in their own language, and it sounds like a dream for global reach. But here is the reality. If you are a niche creator, especially if you're running a channel for business strategy or community building or, global distribution, it can actually kill and destroy your performance. Now, why is this so? That is because YouTube algorithm is ruthless. It looks at numbers, not feelings. So if your video is pushed to an audience who doesn't care, they don't click it. If they don't click, your CTR will automatically drops. And if your CTR drops, YouTube decides your video isn't good. They will automatically conclude that they are not good at all. And when YouTube thinks your video isn't good, that is when it kills distribution everywhere, even with your real audience. Oh, yes. So instead of growing globally, I was shrinking locally. And this setting called auto-doubling had been turned on by default without even me realizing it. And for months, YouTube was pushing my content to foreign audience who didn't even know me. They don't even understand the nuance of my content and had no interest in what I was saying. So the result, my channel flatlined. It was so pathetic, honestly speaking. So now here is where things get practical. Okay, now if you've been struggling with views lately, if your analytics suddenly don't make sense, if your videos are being suggested in places that feel totally random, this could be the reason. So let me show you guys exactly how to turn this setting off. Now we are heading over to our YouTube Studio browser. I'm going to be using my web browser now. So once you open your own, go to the left hand side of your YouTube browser and click on settings. So inside the settings, look for where they wrote upload default. Go ahead and click it. When it opens, go to advanced setting tab. Now scroll down gently until you see automatic doubling. Okay, now if it is checked, please go ahead and uncheck it. Then hit your save. That's it. Now, you can still manually review doubling if you want to reach international audience. But for most creators, especially if you want your video to reach the audience you actually built, I recommend you turning it off completely. So for me, as soon as I turn this off, my very next upload skyrockets, which is this video now. Before now, I don't used to get this type of video. I remember the last time I got this type of views. It was a long time ago. So I went from 50 views, 10 views, 30 views, 100 views to this. And that video alone brought in over, I think I got over 30 subscribers from that particular video. So this wasn't a coincidence. This was proof. Now, let me be clear. Turning off auto dubbing isn't some magic bullet. It fixed a massive issue for me. But YouTube's success is always multi-layered. So if you're still struggling even after turning this off, please, here are the other areas you need to double down on. Go ahead and check your titles and thumbnails. These are the packaging of your video. If people don't click if people don't click your video will automatically die. You understand? So test it, experiment it, and keep them curiosity driven. Okay, so also go ahead and check your SEO. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tag. Make it clear to YouTube who the video is for. Then also check your retention. Hook your viewers in the first 30 seconds and deliver on your promise, and keep them engaged with storytelling. So also check your audience clarity. Be clear about who you are speaking to. If your video isn't meant for everyone, that is fine. Speak directly to your tribe. Okay, then also check your consistency. Remember that YouTube loves consistency. Upload on a schedule and stick to it. Then also focus on business. Don't just chase views. Build a channel that sells your offer. Grow your brand and create income. Because here is the truth. You don't need 300 views to make money. You can have 3,000 views and still generate sales if your content is clear and strategic. So after I turned off auto doubling, I upload my next video, and I kid you not, guys, it felt like my channel was alive again. The views picked up, and the comment section came alive again. People were actually seeing my content. That one change reminded me why I love YouTube. Because when your content is shown to the right people, trust me, guys, it will start working for you. I want you to know this. If your views have dropped, if you feel like your channel is dying, it's not the end. Sometimes it's even your fault. Sometimes it's just one setting. So before you give up, before you burn out, before you think YouTube isn't for you, go ahead and check your setting. Check your strategy. And most importantly, don't quit too early. Don't be too fast to decide. Okay? So if you're a creator, a coach, and a business owner, or just someone who wants to grow on YouTube without losing your sanity, please don't give up. There are ways to revive your channel. And the step 1 is for you to turn off your auto doubling. Step 2 is for you to master your titles, thumbnails, and messaging. Then step 3 is to keep showing up. Okay, keep showing up. So if you want more strategies like this, I share them in my community, in my channel, and also in my WhatsApp group. So go ahead and check the link in the description below and join. And guys, listen, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my next upload. Because the truth is, YouTube isn't just about views. It's about impact. It's about growth. And it is about creating something real. If this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you very much for always stopping by. And to my loyal subscribers, guys, I love you all so much for your support so far. I see you all everywhere in my channel. Thank you very, very much. If this strategy helps you, if this setting has been a hindrance to your channel, or if you know about this setting before now, have you experimented it before? If you have experimented it, if you've turned it off before and things started changing for you, please go down to the comment section and tell us how you did it and what are the things that changed in your channel. But if it hasn't yet, if you don't know about it yet, you can still go to the comment section and drop your thoughts about what you think about this particular setting. Guys, let's keep creating, let's keep growing, let's keep smashing it hard. Trust me, YouTube is for everybody. Yes, you see, YouTube earning, it is for everybody. All you need is to be dedicated, to YouTube. And trust me, in due time, you are going to reap the fruits of your hard work.